Nestled at the confluence of the Sava and Danube rivers, Belgrade, the capital of Serbia, remains an enigma to many. Often overlooked in favor of its more renowned European counterparts, Belgrade simmers with an understated charm, waiting to be discovered. Belgrade whispers its beauty in the cobbled streets of its old town, the vibrant energy of its bohemian quarters, and the captivating tales etched onto its ancient walls. This is a city where ancient fortresses stand tall alongside modern architectural marvels, where the echoes of the past intertwine with the rhythm of a pulsating nightlife. Belgrade's story is etched into its soul, a captivating narrative spanning millennia. From its Celtic beginnings as Singidunum to its reign as the Roman city of Belgrade and its time as the capital of Yugoslavia, the city has witnessed empires rise and fall. Each era has left its mark, creating a captivating mosaic of architectural styles, cultural influences, and historical significance. The streets pulse with a youthful exuberance, a love for life that is contagious. Whether you're strolling through the bustling markets, soaking up the sun on the banks of the Danube, or losing yourself in the electric atmosphere of a Belgrade night, the city's energy is impossible to resist. Our journey begins at the heart of Belgrade, atop a hill overlooking the confluence of the Sava and Danube rivers, Kalemegdan Fortress. This sprawling complex, with its ancient ramparts and panoramic views, is a testament to Belgrade's tumultuous past, having witnessed centuries of battles and empires. As you wander through the fortress's gates, imagine the clash of swords and the roar of cannons, echoes of a time when Belgrade stood as a bulwark against invading armies. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine pathways, discovering hidden corners adorned with cannons, monuments, and remnants of ancient civilizations. The views from the fortress are simply breathtaking, offering a sweeping panorama of Belgrade's cityscape, the confluence of the two rivers, and the rolling plains beyond. Kalemegdan is more than just a fortress. It's a living museum, a place where the past whispers its stories to those who listen. From the grandeur of Kalemegdan, we venture into the heart of Belgrade's bohemian spirit, Skadarlia. This cobblestone street, with its charmingly crooked houses and vibrant atmosphere, is Belgrade's answer to Paris's Montmartre. Once a haven for artists, writers, and musicians, Skadarlia retains its artistic soul, its narrow lanes lined with traditional taverns, art galleries, and antique shops. Duck into one of the many kafanas, or traditional taverns, and immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere. The sounds of laughter, lively conversation, and traditional Serbian music spill out onto the street, inviting you to join the celebration of life. In Skadarlia, time seems to slow down, inviting you to savor the simple pleasures of good food, good company, and a taste of Belgrade's bohemian soul. Escape the city buzz without leaving Belgrade at Ada Ciganlija, a river island transformed into a recreational paradise. This unexpected oasis, often referred to as Belgrade's Sea, boasts a sprawling lake perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and a variety of water sports. Rent a paddle boat and explore the lake's hidden coves, or simply relax on the sandy beach, soaking up the sun and the vibrant atmosphere. For the adventurous, Ada Ciganlija offers a range of activities, from beach volleyball and basketball to bungee, jumping, and wakeboarding. As the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow over the lake, find a spot along the shore and witness a truly magical sight. Whether you're seeking relaxation, recreation, or simply a change of scenery, Ada Ciganlija offers a unique urban oasis in the heart of the Serbian capital. Just a short hop across the Danube River lies Zemun, a historic neighborhood with a distinctly different vibe. Once a separate town under Austro-Hungarian rule, Zemun retains an old-world charm, its cobblestone streets lined with pastel-colored houses, charming cafes, and traditional restaurants. Stroll along the Danube promenade, enjoying picturesque views of the river and the Belgrade skyline in the distance. Climb to the top of Gardosh Hill, crowned by the iconic Millennium Tower, for breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Zemun is a haven for foodies, with a plethora of restaurants serving up traditional Serbian cuisine with an Austro-Hungarian twist. As you explore Zemun, you'll discover a slower pace of life, a sense of tranquility that contrasts with Belgrade's bustling energy. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the question of safety. Some travelers might approach Belgrade with preconceived notions, influenced by outdated perceptions or media portrayals. However, let me assure you, Belgrade is a remarkably safe city, often ranking among the safest in Europe. The city boasts a low crime rate, and violent crime is extremely rare, especially towards tourists. Serbs are known for their warmth, hospitality, and genuine desire to help visitors feel welcome. Rest assured, Belgrade is a city where you can relax, let your guard down, and embrace the welcoming atmosphere. What truly sets Belgrade apart is its people. The warmth and hospitality of Belgraders are legendary, and you will experience it firsthand from the moment you arrive. Whether you're striking up a conversation with a shopkeeper, sharing a drink with a local at a kafana, or simply exchanging smiles with passers-by, you'll be struck by the genuine friendliness of the people. Belgraders are passionate about their city and eager to showcase its best side to visitors. You'll find that Belgrade is a very tolerant and accepting city, embracing diversity and welcoming people from all walks of life. This is a city where you can truly relax, be yourself, and experience the true meaning of Balkan hospitality. So, who should visit Belgrade? The answer is simple: everyone. This dynamic city has something to offer every kind of traveler, no matter your interests or budget. Are you a party animal, always seeking the next unforgettable night out? Belgrade's nightlife is legendary, with a diverse and electrifying scene that caters to all tastes. From underground clubs pulsing with electronic beats to lively bars brimming with live music, Belgrade knows how to party. Are you a history buff, fascinated by ancient civilizations and captivating stories of the past? Belgrade is a city steeped in history, with every corner whispering tales of empires, battles, and cultural shifts. Foodies, get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Belgrade is a culinary paradise, offering a delicious fusion of Balkan flavors and international influences. Belgrade's food scene is an adventure for the senses, a delicious journey through the heart of Balkan cuisine. Traveling on a budget. Belgrade is one of the most affordable capitals in Europe, offering incredible value for money without compromising on experiences. Enjoy delicious meals without breaking the bank, find comfortable accommodation at reasonable prices, and explore the city's many attractions without emptying your wallet. Beyond its affordability, Belgrade is a city that welcomes everyone with open arms. Whether you're a solo traveler seeking adventure, a couple looking for a romantic getaway, or a group of friends ready to embrace the city's energy, Belgrade has something for you. The city's welcoming atmosphere, vibrant culture, and diverse range of attractions make it an ideal destination for all types of travelers. So, whether you're drawn to Belgrade's vibrant nightlife, its captivating history, its delicious cuisine, or its welcoming atmosphere, one thing is certain: this city will leave a lasting impression. As the day winds down and the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, there's no better way to experience Belgrade's magic than with a sunset cruise on the Sava River. Imagine gliding along the tranquil waters, the city's skyline silhouetted against the fiery sky, as a gentle breeze carries the sounds of music and laughter. Several companies offer sunset cruises, ranging from intimate boats to larger vessels with live music and entertainment. Sip on a glass of Serbian wine, savor delicious local snacks, and let the beauty of the city wash over you. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the water, you'll understand why Belgrade is known as the City of Light. Whether you're traveling with your loved one, a group of friends, or simply seeking a moment of solitude, a sunset cruise on the Sava is an experience not to be missed. Belgrade is renowned for its vibrant nightlife, and no experience captures the city's after-dark energy quite like a night out on a splav. Splavovi are floating clubs and bars moored along the banks of the Sava and Danube rivers, each offering a unique atmosphere and musical experience. From sleek and modern venues pulsing with electronic beats to traditional-style clubs featuring live Serbian music, there's a splav for every taste. Imagine dancing the night away under the stars. The cool river breeze keeping you refreshed as you enjoy live music, creative cocktails, and the company of locals and fellow travelers. The energy on a splav is contagious, with a mix of locals and tourists coming together to celebrate life, music, and the unique spirit of Belgrade. A night out on a splav is an essential Belgrade experience, a chance to immerse yourself in the city's legendary nightlife and witness the energy that has earned Belgrade its reputation as a party capital. No trip to Belgrade is complete without experiencing the city's culinary delights, and there's no better way to savor the flavors of Serbia than by indulging in some local favorites. Start your day like a true Belgrader with a hearty breakfast of burek and yogurt. Burek, a flaky pastry filled with cheese, meat, or spinach, is a staple in Serbian cuisine and a delicious way to fuel up for a day of exploring. Pair your burek with a refreshing glass of yogurt, a staple in the Serbian diet, known for its health benefits and creamy texture. You'll find burek and yogurt sold at numerous bakeries and cafes throughout the city, often served fresh from the oven. It's a simple yet satisfying breakfast that will give you a true taste of Belgrade's culinary heritage. As the day progresses, immerse yourself in Belgrade's kafana culture. Kafanas are traditional taverns that have been a part of Serbian culture for centuries, serving as gathering places for locals to socialize, enjoy live music, and savor traditional food and drink. Step inside a kafana, and you'll be transported back in time, with their cozy interiors, wooden tables, and walls adorned with old photographs and memorabilia. Order a glass of rakija, the local fruit brandy, and let its warmth spread through you as you savor the flavors of traditional Serbian dishes like cevapi, pljeskavica, or sarma. The atmosphere in a kafana is convivial and welcoming, with locals and tourists alike coming together to enjoy good company, good food, and the sounds of traditional Serbian music often played live by local musicians. So there you have it. Belgrade, a city that defies expectations and shatters stereotypes. It's a place where history whispers from ancient walls, where the rhythm of life pulses with an infectious energy, where the warmth of the people makes you feel like family. It's a city that will surprise you, challenge you, and ultimately capture your heart. If you're looking for an authentic European experience, a destination that's off the beaten path, yet brimming with character, then Belgrade is calling. Forget the tourist traps and the predictable itineraries. Come to Belgrade and discover a city that's raw, real, and unforgettable. The question is, when are you booking your flight?